Hi you guys, welcome to Lavon's Divine Touch. Today I want to show you guys my cape. I got this on Amazon and she's got like little braids. It's really big. My camera's not getting all of it, but I just think it's so cute. It's got these little things, you just slip them. I'll show you guys right here. These little things, you just slip them in there. Put it on. It's not tight around the neck. I think she's so cute. I will leave the link for this down below. And it's washable material. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please excuse my background. I am moving right now. You guys have a great day.